Hey, what's up, YouTube? This is me back again. Here's my panel. Okay, I just showed this one. I got a BG10 Spectral Alert Advance T-bar that's not used. BG12 police station again. Yeah, what's his face? Spectral Alert. I don't know if you see it on the fire. And then when outside is a Spectral Alert and a break glass. But that's it today. Hope you enjoyed this video. Oh yeah, here. Go ahead and warm up. And then there's one going on. Let me reset the panel. There's no, I want me to press silence. Okay, reset it. And, but what you know, the light turned off. And you reset the music. Maybe doing this one. The strobe over there ain't gonna flash. Here. Now the strobes are gonna flash with this. Right, here we go. Simple. You can lift it back up, it won't work. It's better off opening the lid and doing it. Here we go again. Oh, it didn't work. It's not working. Oh yeah, here we go. Hey, simple as. So I hope you liked that, YouTube. I'll see y'all. Let's stay happy and I'll see y'all later. Peace.